Manage your sales process and increase your business profits with a user-friendly lead and inquiry management system. Maple CRM solution lets you to add and manage all your contacts and leads in one place, enabling you to nurture and target them more effectively. All the leads can be bulk uploaded directly or can be added one by one. The system can also pull leads automatically from external sources like website or landing pages as well as social media sites. These are directly routed to Maple CRM and allocated to various sales representatives using round-robin method. The lead addition form can be customized to match as per the business process, and additional fields can be configured as needed. The lead stages for the sales pipeline can be set up so that the user can move the lead from one status to another. This would help in segregating the leads and enables the user to identify and target the potential leads. Here, under My Leads, all the leads are listed based on stages. These leads can be dragged and dropped from one stage to another. The My Leads view can be configured as per the user's interest. As every user may have different priorities or different target audience, this feature lets each user to configure their own custom views. The system also offers lead scoring feature where you can set up automatic scores for leads based on conditions so that you have your leads ranked up against a scale of points. Lead scoring helps in focusing on the promising prospects and avoid non-responsive leads. You can set up a good lead scoring model based on your business process. The scores visible here are calculated from the lead score rules already configured, and the colors are displayed based on the point ranges. These rules can be configured under Settings. Multiple lead scoring rules can be added here with different set of scores aligning to your business model. There is one such rule configured here where if the budget is more than 15 lakhs, then to add 40 points to it. There is also an additional condition added where the industry type is manufacturing, then to add another 25 points to the lead score. Based on the business logics and parameters, you can configure different rules, and you can also set the color code for grade range here for better visibility. This way leads shall have score points associated to it automatically, and that would help the user to target the leads and nurture them for better conversions. Going back to the lead listing, you can see that the leads are associated with scores along with a color which is based on the configured rules. This will help your team to engage with the leads and prioritize them. Multiple actions can be performed based on the need. Any information or handy notes can be added under Remarks. Reminders can be set for each lead, and this can be viewed from the lead or from the My Leads section. This would enable timely follow-ups on these leads. Email and SMS can be sent to these leads instantly from the application. The solution allows in configuring email and SMS templates so that the user need not spend time in drafting the content every time. A promising lead can be further converted as an account where multiple other functions can be performed. While lead is for telecalling or pre-sales team to work on lead management and nurture them, accounts are more for sales team who work on qualified leads and get them converted to sales. An account can be directly added as well or can be bulk uploaded. Similar to lead, the addition form can be customized as per the business requirement. The system allows you to search for accounts from the search listing by typing the text or from the search field on the top. There is an additional advanced search option to search the accounts using multiple conditions. You can additionally configure your page views. You can perform many of the actions right from here or open the account to work on it from the account details page. The history lets you to check the older interactions and updates. The client interaction details can be added as remark, which will store the remark type and also the date and time when it was logged in. Additional contacts can be added from here. Follow-ups and reminders can be set for the account and the system shall notify accordingly. Reminders can be added from the top right section under Actions. You can set up the workflow model based on your business process so that your team can work on the accounts in alignment to the business flow. One can define the stages of business cycle so that each executive can accordingly move them from one to another as it progresses. The solution also supports in enabling access to work on accounts based on the individual's expertise. This would ensure that there is no senior management intervention for approval or work allocation, and each individual can themselves work on their accounts as per the defined workflow. Account module also supports emailing and SMS solution and can include templates for quick action. SMS solution supports transactional SMS, and these can be predefined for instant use. The solution lets you to generate quotations for an account. You can configure multiple profile templates under settings, which can include your company logo details and tax rates applicable along with terms and conditions. This would help you to choose the required template and generate the quote in different flavors in a very short time. All the service listings can be preloaded under the catalogs, which can be fed manually or through bulk. These services can be stored with the service ID, name, type and description along with tax rates as applicable. Let's generate a sample quote by adding some services. You can add more services and modify their price as needed. The tax rates and discounts get automatically calculated, and the rest of the template details like terms and conditions are already filled in from the profile automatically. Once generated, you can view the quote in PDF format. These quotations can be modified if required from the same account. This is the sample quotation PDF which was generated just now. The PDF includes the service along with the details. The system lets you to have an approval process in place where an executive on generating quote can send approval request to the manager or senior. Only after approving the quote the executive can send the quote to client through email right from here. This way your management team can ensure that correct and valid quotes are reaching the client and there are no mistakes from the executive in the prices shared. Similar to quotations, you can generate pro forma or sales invoice for an account. You can use the pre-configured profile and add the services as needed and generate the invoice. All the calculations are taken care automatically. You can view the generated invoice in the PDF format. Additionally, the pro forma invoice generated can be converted into sales invoice without much effort. This would allow you to save time by just converting rather than creating everything from first. All the invoices can be tracked from here. You can mark the invoices as paid on receipt of the payment from the client. This would allow you to keep track of pending and received payments of this client from one place. The reporting functionality lets you download various types of reports using different conditions. These reports can be generated on web and can be downloaded in an Excel file. You can input multiple conditions and define your report fields as required. These can be stored and used anytime for faster retrieval. Each user can be defined with set of permissions for them to use the system. Additionally, users of the system can have access level control defined so that every user can have access to the defined accounts only. There are 3 levels of access permissions: admin user who can have access to all the accounts and global settings. manager who can have access to his team's accounts, and lastly an end user who can have access to only his accounts. With this user management configuration, you can have a streamlined access control within your team. The application supports rule engine model where automated triggers can be configured to reach client via email or SMS or notification within the team. These automated rules can help your business in reducing human efforts and increase efficiency and professionalism in client interactions. For example, a rule is configured here where an automated email or SMS can reach the client after the advanced payment is received, notifying to make the balance payment in the next 10 days. Similarly, there is another rule configured where the email and SMS should reach the client automatically 5 days before the renewal date as a reminder. Also, another one where SMS to be sent asking for the service feedback. This way Maple CRM lets you to configure multiple automations based on rules. These automatic triggers will bring value additions and accuracy to your business in terms of client communications and engagement. For more details, please visit maplecrm.com or write to us at info@maplecrm.com. Thank you for your time to watch this video.